Okay guys, so I have here the latest version of Wusik 9 beta 32, and I have done some changes to the drum sequencer mode, some shortcuts, and it's much easier to use now. So let me play the sequence here. So we have patterns. The patterns works with any mode of the wave sequencer. So you can have a regular wave sequencer with nodes and the patterns. So I have two patterns here, pattern 1 and 2. And if I play a pattern and select a new one, it's going to wait for the current pattern to finish. I added a bit of extra visual components to make it easier to see what you're editing in the drum sequencer. You can now rename tracks, and if you hover the mouse over the track name, you can see on the right the node it's outputting. And if you right click, you can open the track drums configuration for that track. So you can rename that track. And you can set the MIDI channel, the note number, and the layer number. 0 is going to be all layers from the wave sequencer. Because if you have more than one sound loaded here, you can select which layer you are going to be using. So I'll also added some other options. Here, if you open the menu, you can see use fixed nodes, which I'm using right now. So with this option, it's going to send this node of each track here, regardless of the note I press on my keyboard. So it's a handy feature. I can also hide the track names if I want more space here, and I don't care about the track names. And I can also hide empty tracks. So let's say tracks. Oh, of course, tracks have something in it, but it's hiding all the other tracks. So by default, when you start a new sequence, it's still going to set up, like I said on the previous video. So let's say sequencer here. Both drums. Okay. So by default, you have the 15 tracks, and you can see each track is sending a note down, like I said on the previous video. And if you check the configuration for each track, it's a different layer. So track 5 is A5, and MIDI channel 6, track 12, MIDI channel 13, and layer 12. But if you go here and use fixed notes, it's going to ask set tracks notes to general MIDI style, and it's going to create a few tracks with the names already named in a general MIDI style, but you can use the other tracks too. And all tracks are set MIDI channel 10 and layer 0, which is all layers. So this way is a bit easier to set up things. Have more visual feedback on what's going on. So that's pretty much for this video, because if you watch the other video, you can have a better tailored view of how the sequencer is working. And I think I have showed it all back here, but that's pretty much what I changed. The currently loading some stuff here, but well, you get the picture. Let me play some other presets I've created here. So that's it. Thanks for watching again.